All right, how to change a filter on a Corolla 2005, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 models. So any year you have, make sure you change your filter every like 10,000 miles. That's like if you're doing a synthetic oil, it's like 10,000 mileages. So to do a filter change on this car, what we had to do is we had to remove that the clip here. That pops off, and there's one in the back here. It clips right off. And this housing, you want to be careful with this sensor cable. If it's not long enough, we'll disconnect it. Let's just disconnect it so that way you have an idea. Let's disconnect this cable so it gives us enough room. Same thing, if it doesn't come out, you can use a screwdriver. Once you have that, and then you could take off this tool number 10 here, and you could have this housing removed so you have an easy access. But we're not gonna do that because we have a lot of room here. What you do is you take out the filter. Let's show the other side. And then if there's leaves in there, you pull out all the leaves and everything. Like, see this debris back there? You make it nice and clean. Sorry. So next, what you do is you take a new filter. This little corner here, the square corner, always goes into that square corner because all three are round. So you take a new filter, you put it in there, and then these little, make sure you clip this side in. Once you have that in, you pop in the clips on both sides. And do not forget the sensor. If you do forget the sensor, the car might not even start up. It'll start up and die. Alright. And this, somebody already worked on this car before us, and they left a lot of things loose, such as this clip and this wire goes back there, and that's it. So this is what you clip in, and these clips retainers hold the air filter in there. And that's how you change the cabin. Air filter on 2010 Corolla. This is 10, but if you have a earlier model, same body shape, same weight.